How to download chained together game in laptop on your PC. Hey guys and welcome back. If you want to download the chained together game on your laptop, you will be required to download and install the Steam application. Once you have downloaded and installed Steam, tap on it and then log in. After logging in, we'll have to search for the chained together game. For this, tap on the search bar and then type in chained together. This will give you a list of options. Tap on the very first one, which is for the chain together game. After you tap on it, it'll open the game along with different additions and the prices available till date. Now you can either add it to your wish list or to directly download and purchase it. Scroll down a bit and you will see the list of options. Tap on add to cart, which is to add the game into your purchase list. After you tap on add to cart, this will give this page from where you have to click on view my cart. Here you have all the lists of the game that you have added to the cart till date. You can remove other details and then continue to payment for the chain together game. Once you continue to payment, you'll have to select the payment method. Once you have selected the payment method, you will have to continue with giving the details regarding the payment details or method. It includes your personal information, card number, billing information, expiration date. Once completed, tap on continue and it will verify your order. And just by that, you should be able to download the game on your PC. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.